On January 29, 2023, Trooper Tyler Langley attempted to stop a white Maserati on Interstate 40 after discovering it was displaying fictitious license plates. Instead of pulling over, the driver ran a stop sign, drove through a red light, and fled, initiating a high-speed pursuit. The suspect drove at speeds exceeding 150 miles per hour, weaving through traffic, passing vehicles on both shoulders, and repeatedly driving into oncoming traffic. As the pursuit continued, the suspect turned into a parking lot and attempted to re-enter the highway, where Trooper Langley made the decision to intentionally strike the vehicle.
Coming up to the veterinary clinic, Street 105. Turning right now to the Circle C store.
The driver, identified as Larry Lee, was taken into custody after both vehicles became disabled. Troopers later found nearly 194 grams of suspected marijuana and more than $2,800 in cash inside the Maserati. During the investigation, Lee admitted that he runs from police all the time and said officers had finally caught him. On April 9, 2025, Livingston County deputies attempted to stop a stolen BMW X5 on Interstate 96 near Latson Road. Instead of pulling over, the driver fled, initiating a high-speed pursuit while weaving through traffic at speeds exceeding 120 miles per hour.
Clear the construction lane at 1539.
Exiting, he's exiting.
There's just exit 6040. 13 midnight. Going down the ramp.
Going into the city. Left lane, you almost lost it.
Going open the yard, 6043. I think you just ran the sheriff truck. Yeah, 13's with him. It's like, I'll call it 35. He's going over Spencer. He's smoking. There, he's going over
During the pursuit, the suspect recklessly struck several vehicles, and at one point, 2 firearms were thrown from the SUV onto the interstate. The chase continued until the BMW ran a red light and crashed head-on into another vehicle at the intersection of Jolly Road and Cedar Street.
About 3 5 on this comes 6049.
Preparation. You just rear-ended the vehicle, black edge.
We're in Black Edge.
Right shoulder, rear-ended. We're still continuing westbound.
Clear rear end.
Just threw a gun out. Just threw a gun out.
Just for gun out 6045.
Gun out, right at the westbound on-ramp. Clear number right.
Rear-ended white truck.
Rear end white truck 6047. Units, be advised, I'm on with Ingham right now. They're trying to get you sticks. They said this vehicle is involved in a retail fraud out of Dix and Okemos earlier.
Up on the shoulder, Fowlerville. Trying to get back on the expressway. You're back up on the expressway.
Yeah, we're up on the shoulder now, back on the expressway as we get too far.
Looks like we're exiting off at 104. Exit 104. Getting off.
Exiting at 104, getting off at 1706. I'm starting approaching another intersection.
Just head on the car, another car on Jolly. Jolly and
Another vehicle, Jolly, so Joey.
The 19-year-old driver and 4 passengers were taken into custody following the crash, while 2 additional suspects fled on foot and remained at large. Despite the violent collision and the extensive damage caused during the pursuit, authorities reported no serious injuries. On July 24, 2023, a Shorewood police officer in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, attempted to stop a vehicle with no license plates. Instead of pulling over, the driver accelerated away, initiating a pursuit through the city streets.
He's slowing for the light.
Going east onto exit. Roughly about 60, continuing at 25th.
Coming out Titonia here, so northbound on Titonia. Is there any MPD squads going northbound on Titonia right now that would have sticks?
Past Roosevelt, still northbound, speeds are roughly 90.
Just past the Ruby, coming up the light here, slowing for the light, almost comes to a complete stop. Still northbound on Titonia, going to be passing Hampton, speed direct 55. Coming up to a little bit of traffic here. He's slowing for the traffic. Be passing Cameron, still north on Titonia, speed direct 60. Traffic is...
The suspect led officers on an 18-mile pursuit through the streets of Milwaukee, reaching speeds of around 90 miles per hour. He ignored traffic laws while trying to shake pursuing officers, but after making a wrong turn, he quickly ran out of road and had nowhere left to escape.
Minimal traffic. Found I'm okay.
Negative sticks.
Here the light is north.
Continue north.
Brand. You hopefully.
Just past Locust.
Locust. Keep coming up to District 5 here.
Continue north from Burleigh.
Just past Keith.
Passing 7th, he's slowing down. Northbound on 7th.
7 from Keith. It's going to be about 60 miles an hour, no traffic, going to be coming out the Capitol. We've got a light color, it looks like gray Sebring, got a green light at 7. Still northbound. So come into it, gonna have to go into Port Washington. And
He hit a wall.
The pursuit came to an end when the suspect made a wrong turn into a dead end and crashed while trying to escape. With nowhere left to go, officers quickly surrounded the vehicle and took the driver into custody.
You understand me? Put your other hand back here, man. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Are you injured?
I don't think so.
All right, stand up, man. I don't want this thing to explode.
Come on, Dad. He just got shot. I got a broken arm, sir.
You have a broke arm? Which
Yes,
arm?
sir. This right one.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Can you move
Hey,
it at
get
all?
the wallet out the car, please.
I'm not worried about your wallet, my man. What's up with this arm?
This is fine.
Fine?
This one's
Sit
fine.
up, sit up.
Okay.
Now stand up. Do you have anything on you?
Officers took the driver into custody without any crashes involving other vehicles during the pursuit. Investigators later learned he was already out on bail in 2 separate criminal cases, including a felon in possession of a firearm case. On September 18, 2023, TFC Dawson attempted to stop a silver Ford Focus on Interstate 75 after observing the driver speeding, making multiple unsafe lane changes, and committing several traffic violations. Instead of pulling over, the driver accelerated away, initiating a pursuit.
It's a gray Ford. I think it's a Ford Fusion. Georgia 28 says Young David Lincoln 160. YDL 160 Georgia. And you can show me 1080. Northbound coming up on the city.
they're all using the same grade, they're very green about it.
Lane change erratic between the roads. HOV lane, ready to maintain. Far right, far left lane coming up on, you can see it still see up there. It's gonna be over 120.
The suspect drove at speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour while recklessly weaving through traffic and making repeated illegal lane changes. As the pursuit reached Georgia 166, the driver attempted another high-speed lane change, lost control of the vehicle, struck an embankment, and rolled the car over.
He took lane break. All right, 1050 overturn. Start EMS. 1050 overturn EMS, please.
Clear 1050.
75 northbound ramp to 166. Ramp to 166. I'm gonna shut it down.
Clear ramp 166.
When troopers approached the overturned vehicle, the driver did not respond to commands. After additional units arrived, officers discovered the driver had suffered fatal injuries in the crash and was pronounced dead at the scene.